Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where roughly 3 minutes or less we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. This week, I talked about creating a welcome series that ignores outdated best practices and instead focuses on customers' purchase intent. Let's do a quick recap of the week. Create a check to ensure the welcome series is being sent to new subscribers who have not recently purchased. Avoid sending the series to those who have opted in during the checkout process. All purchasers should be directed to a post-purchase series. Create a personalized welcome series based on click activity within the welcome message. These messages can be tailored to the specific categories or products of the new subscriber is showing interest in. After all, you don't need to be sending anniversary and hearing messages to those shopping for engagement rings. Add text messages to your welcome series for your SMS subscribers and include it in the same workflow as your email series. Now, SMS is a must-have channel and will allow the would-be shoppers to return to your store via their preferred channel. Create as many messages as is necessary to introduce your products and build consumer confidence. For most brands, this will be 3 or 4 messages. Finally, send the welcome message immediately and the remainder of your series on consecutive days. Now, I covered a lot this week, but over time, combining this week's tips with last week's will have your welcome series generating increased revenues faster than you can say Sally sells seashells by the seashore 5 times real fast, or something like that. I'd love to see your welcome series in action, so please be sure to share them with me on Twitter or LinkedIn, or just let me know your brand name, and I'll sign up for it myself. And yes, in case you ask, I will click on them. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time, but until then, happy marketing.